Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. So at first open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and let's start with the quite short, super useful code, and it's *# 06 pound. And here you've got the whole device information, so you've got email and serial number included here. Unique numbers assigned to your phone. Tap on OK to exit. Then another code that you can use is *# double to 5 ***. And here you've got the calendar info. As you can see, I don't have any calendar connected with my phone. However, if you have, for example, Google Calendar, iOS Calendar, device's internal storage calendar, fulfilled with events, they will be all listed right here. So from now on you will not forget about any important date. Then you can smoothly go back by tapping on the back button. And the last code that I want to share with you today starts the same, so *#, and then 4 to 6 ***. And here we've got the FCM diagnostic mode, where you can locate events and status. And whenever you wish to enroll advanced view, tap on more icon and select advanced. So if there are any info to be displayed, they will be listed here. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.